Oh, look at him. Just look at him. He looks a bit depressed, doesn't he? He looks like he's just gonna jump off. Poor fella. You know what? Didn't think I'd be starting the video this way, but welcome back to the channel. This is the best channel on the platform YouTube. Of course, it's a load of shit. Just wank. If you want absolute wank content, subscribe, because yeah, that's what you be fucking getting here tonight. Oh, great. I need to adjust my curtains. Jesus Christ. Shit. Oh, right, there we are. I think. No, there we are. Decent, right. Welcome back. Pretty much, we're going to be doing the idea for this challenge is pretty much, I've already recorded it once. I'm going to turn the sound on, Jesus Christ. Pretty much, I challenge myself to rob a train without any weapons, because I just think it'd be fun. It's daft. I was going to do a forfeit, but I don't have time for a forfeit, so I'm just going to rob a train right at the train track, right? Right, a train track, okay. Where the fuck's Madam, where's a okay, Valentine. Pretty much, I'm going to rob a train without any weapons. I can't use a lasso. Can't use a knife. Can't use my fists. Can't use a gun. None of that shit. Oh yeah, I've changed the hood. Right. I need to put the hood back on because I was doing a thumbnail. Fucking hell. Nope. That's yep. Display. There we are. Nice job. Right, here we are. Default. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Probably can't understand a word I'm saying. Fucking hell. There we are. Here's Big Fat Horsey. Here's Big Chungus. Big Tesco. I'm gonna put you in my fucking burger, you little cunt. Oh shit. Oh, alright, we're already at the train station. Don't need to go to Valentine, thank you very much. Oh, and a poke again.
Oh my good lord.
I'm not gonna try and rob a poker game. Can I get back on the horse, thank you. Get me back on the horsey. Thank you very much. Right, pretty much. Right. I'm gonna cut ahead in the video till I find till I get to the train station. I'll see you in a minute. And we're back. Yeah, I'll probably need to fucking do it a bit earlier, but still. We're back. Pretty much. We're back. Let's get into it. Fucking hell. Found at the train station. It's late at night and fuck me. I need a train to somewhere. You little cunt. Yep. That's what I just said, you know. That's what I just said, you little dickhead.
Welcome back.
Alright. Riggs. Go Riggs. Yep, cheers, boss.
Have yourself a nice trip.
Right. There we are. We were on the train. Look at the night. Look at that beautiful night sky. Fuck me. Only in a game. It's only in a game. Well, the weather could actually be fucking nice. Fuck me, living in the UK is just it's hell. It's fucking an absolute shithole. Every day, just a shithole. It's fucking yeah. Comment if you're from the UK, because I feel sorry for you. I feel fucking sorry for me. It's fucking that's shit. Right, stopped. Okay, no, I need to go. Oh, no, okay, no, I need to go drive the train. That's what I need to do first. Right. I'm gonna go set off in the train. Knock him out. Shit! Come on, you dickhead!
Shit. What the Sam Hill you think? Make your
Flatline.
Somebody help!
We don't have a Oh, we got a train driver. Nice one. Hi, boss.
Just stay the hell
Which come
away,
out?
won't you?
I want to hit him. Yep. Fucking hell. He's just been pushed out window.
You gotta be smarter than
cunt.
that. Come on. What?
Hunted by bounty
Please,
hunters.
God, no!
Use the whistle. There we are, like a proper little train driver. Let's set off. Oh, this is just. See, this is the content you want to see on YouTube, innit? Some random little cunts from England, fucking playing with trains on the game. Right now, we're sorted. They can't come. Oh shit! Is he gonna come? No. Technically speaking, it was how long? Oh shit! Okay, well, we'll be good. We're bound. Okay, this is actually a perfect spot, innit? Shit. We're over the river. Almost. Stop. Okay, we're okay now. Yeah. Over. That's sorted that problem out. We're over the fucking big long river. Now I can just rob the train and fucking jump off. Sweet. Fuck me, look how fucking high we are. Anyway, let's go rob some dicks. Can I get down, please? Fuck me, let me fucking down, you little. Thank you very much. There we are. No one's gonna save you, love. Fucking smack it up. Go on. But cunt, get dropped. Give me.
No, this isn't happening!
Can I hit him? No. Can I hit you?
No, please don't!
I can't use guns, can I? Can I just hit him, please?
Help me, please!
That's done. Look at him. Look at his little face. Look at his little face. Oh. Can I run? I want to fucking hit him, you fucking shitty game. Thank you. He's just been fucking roundhoused. Now, mate. Off you cunt. Right, love. You too.
Please! Oh my god!
Oh, this is class. I can just keep robbing people and I'm gonna be. Got some earrings, so that's a nice job. There's a chest. Give me the bloody chest. Thank you very much. Today's a good day. It's hair tonic. I can't even take fucking hair tonic. Fuck me. If you were bold in this game, you'd be absolutely fucked. Is that it? This is the video. Wow. Please like and subscribe. I need it. I'm desperate. I'm dying. I've got no money. I've got no home. Nah, to be fair, I'm fucking fine. But no, I'm gonna. Can I loot her? I'm gonna loot her. I've got a necklace and I'm now gonna jump. We start this video jumping. We end this video jumping because. Oh right, we can still kick him. Job done. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Please, no!
I'm just gonna jump off. End it. Yeah, thank you very much. Right then. Jump. Right, oh shit. Almost slipping, right. I'm gonna end this video now by jumping off because. Got my horse. Jesus Christ, it fucking. Swims faster than fucking me, fuck me. Fucking fast coming, aren't you? Fast boy. I'm ending this video now. Oh, see you in a bit. I want to take the plunge. I've wanted to for so long. It's so odd. I'm not. I can't fucking make it. I can't make fun of that. Fuck me. I cannot make fun of that, especially in this day and age. I get fucking stabbed. Right. See you in a bit. Oh shit! No, no, shit, no. Gonna go the other way. Die.